would like to present to you the names of the features of the elevation drawing. First, we have all these pink textual entries are considered as specifications, including this one. Next, we have here leader line. All these red lines, red, vertical, or combination of vertical and horizontal lines are all leader lines. We have here the green lines here, very thin lines. These are corrugations of the roofing sheets. In your drawing, you can draw this as 2 mm in between, or the spaces in between them are all 2 millimeters, or depending on the roofing sheets that you're going to use. Next, we have here, this hidden line here is what we have, the hidden part of the roof beam line. Next, we have here the gutter, the fascia board. Then we have here the wall finishes. Specifically, this wall finishes is specified as leadstone. Next, we have here the window. These are windows, window 8 and window 2. Then next, we have here window label. Then this hidden line is a hand side indicator of the door. This is a concrete stair leading to the entrance of the house. Next, these hidden lines here are the hand side indicator of the window. Following this is another hidden line here representing the finished floor line. Then, this is the door. And another one, we have D1, the door label. And lastly, we have here the title and the scale. Front elevation scale 1:100. In addition, we have here the reference lines, namely apex line, roof beam line, finished floor line, and natural ground line. The natural ground line is this bottom line here. Next, we have here in a two-story building, just like this example, we have first FFL and second FFL. And this first FFL is the finished floor line for the first or the ground floor. And then second FFL is the finished floor line for the second floor. The same, we have here the RBL. And in this case, since our roof is a hip and valley roof, we have apex line 2 and apex line 1. The distance from NGL to the first FFL is 600 millimeters. In a drawing, this is only 6 millimeters. From the first FFL to the second FFL is 3000 millimeters. In your drawing, you'll have this as 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. From the second FFL to RBL, we have here also 3000 millimeters, or in your drawing, you can have this the same as here, 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. For the height from RBL to apex line 1, the preferred height that we have for this instructional material is 2. In other cases, you can have the pitch of the roof by your choice according to the theories or any computation. But for the sake of this instructional activity, we are going to have only as 2000 millimeters. And in your drawing, this is just a space of 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. For this apex line 2, this is just projected from the roof. So the height of this apex is depending on the projection, and it should not be, or it could not be measured. But after projecting this actual height, we have here 1300 millimeters, or in your drawing, this is only 1.3 centimeters or 13 millimeters. So these are the reference lines with their corresponding dimensions. I hope these ideas are very helpful to you in working with your elevation drawings.